cracks, we're back with another top 5. This is a simple one, but people do need to know it. They do need to pay attention. Sometimes they don't. So top 5 tips for hiring a tradesperson.
Number 1, money. Make sure you don't give large sums of money up front. And where you can, use a credit card just for that little bit of financial protection.
Qualifications. Check the qualifications they say they have. Check what they mean. Check they're legit.
Profile. If you're going to get a tradesperson through Rated People, it's probably a good idea to check their profile online. On that profile, you can look at photos of their past work and you can check ratings from other customers.
And speaking of other customers, if it's a big job, speak to the customers they've had before. Maybe go and check out some of the work they've done.
And quotes. When you get a quote from a tradesman, it's probably a really good idea to get that quote all in writing and try and include payment schedules and work that's going to be completed on certain dates.
To sum up, don't pay a lot of money up front. Check their qualifications, check their profile, check their references, and get your quote written down, okay? I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks very much. This is your opportunity to rate us. Drop us a like if you think it was good. Leave us a comment, subscribe, share it with someone you think you might like it, and we'll see you soon.